As a property owner, you want to enjoy your John Deere equipment and get the most out of it in the yard and around your property. Whether you own a riding lawn tractor, utility tractor, or a compact tractor with a few implements, understanding how your equipment works and how to care for it is part of the fun and ensures it is ready to work when you are. Even if what you do is a hobby, weekend project, work, or a lifestyle, John Deere Property Center gives you a simplified way to manage your overall experience with John Deere, your equipment, your dealer, and the jobs that you do. Better understand your equipment, how it operates, and how to maintain it. Look up serial numbers, specific parts, manage your John Deere financial accounts, and even view how-to videos and tips for common jobs your equipment helps you get done, all from one location. Let's take a look at what the Property Center is and how you can use it. From the home page, there are various tools and services available to you across Property Center. We'll begin with the Equipment feature. Equipment allows you to add new, view, and manage existing equipment. Select the equipment. Manage Equipment will take you to the Equipment Manager, where you can edit the name, serial number, organization, connectivity, and status of your machine. If JD Link connectivity is active, it will include fuel levels at last operation and engine hours. If your machine has a maintenance plan, it will be displayed. This is where you can view any services that are due or past due. Select View Checklist to complete the service. Select View Upcoming Service to view upcoming services, service history, or manage your maintenance plan. If there is no maintenance plan created, then it will give you an option to create the plan in Maintenance Manager. Only verified John Deere equipment can have factory plans created for them. Select Factory Plan. Name your factory plan and choose your plan options: annual usage, plan start hours, machine age, plan start date, plan length, and more. Select all relevant machine options and then click Build Plan. The Recalls and Safety section includes warranty information, parts lookup, and model-specific recalls or fixes identified by John Deere. In the event of a recall, information specific to your equipment will be displayed here. The Warranty section is where you can view the details on warranty status of your machine. This includes the presence of an active or expired factory warranty, including dates and hour limits if there are any present. This section also displays if an extended John Deere PowerGuard warranty is present, if it's active or expired for a specific piece of equipment. Under Service, the Parts tab helps you find the right part for your machine, with confidence that it will fit. You can make a purchase of these parts through your John Deere dealer. Get Service allows you to access your John Deere dealer's information so you can schedule services for your machine. Notifications are used for maintenance, planning, and tracking. If your equipment has a modem, you will also get access to the following information: diagnostic trouble codes, automated maintenance tracking, key machine data including engine hours and fuel levels, and connected support services, which includes machine monitoring by your John Deere dealer. Select the notification to view details. This is where you can order parts for your equipment by selecting Order Parts. Select View All Notifications to view all notifications for your account. This will take you to the notifications.deere.com, where you can customize your notifications, including maintenance and org management. Org management will track any support requests or changes to the organization, like requests from dealers to be partnered. Parts and Service is where you can get, browse, and purchase machine-specific replacement parts for machines of all makes and ages. You can search by the model number or a part number. You can order the parts online and either pick them up at the dealership or have them shipped directly to your home. Offers and Discounts enables you to find a variety of incentives to help maintain your property and your equipment. Select View Offers to view current offers and discounts. In the How-To section, we have included a library of videos and articles to help with tasks around the property and around the equipment. The Setup tab consists of Equipment, Maintenance, and Team. This is where you manage your machines, implements, and devices, like a modem. Here you plan equipment, maintenance, intervals, and repairs. And here you can select team to add new or existing staff, operators, and partners for your organization.